In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Google Play Store apps on your laptop or PC. If you do find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this is obviously super convenient because it lets you play your favorite mobile apps on a way bigger screen. Now there's two apps that you can go ahead and use in order to do this. The one that I personally recommend is Game Loop right here, but another one that a bunch of other YouTubers recommend is an app called BlueStacks. I'm going to walk you through both the guides. They are very similar. But first things first, open up a web browser, and if you're going to use BlueStacks, go ahead and type in BlueStacks just like so and hit enter. From here, choose that first option, and what you're going to want to do is select this download button right here. If you're doing the Game Loop option, go to Game Loop and then open up the first link, and what you're going to want to do is select that same option as well up at the very top to download it. Go through the installation process for both of these, and the rest of the guide is going to work pretty much the exact same. Go ahead and open up whatever app you decided to download, and it's going to look something like this. From here, navigate to the library tab, and what you're going to want to do is find whatever game you want to go ahead and download. Both of these have so many options. It's absolutely insane. In my case, I recently did just download this Call of Duty mobile one for a previous video, but you could do really whatever game you'd like. You can even specifically search for games if you're looking for something in particular and don't want to like scroll through all of this kind of stuff. But essentially find whatever game you want, hit install on it, it'll begin installing, and then you just gotta hit open, and what it's gonna do is begin opening the game. If it's your first time opening it, it is going to take a little bit of time, but after you open it for the first time, you'll be good to go, and it's just going to load pretty quickly. From here, you'll be able to play your game. You can put it in full screen if you like. It's completely up to you, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.